So if you're watching this video, it's likely that you weren't able to resolve your case with the dean's designate, either because you weren't in a position to admit guilt, or your case was too serious and it got referred to the next stage of the proceeding. So the next stage will be a more formal hearing before an academic tribunal or a committee of your faculty. And what these hearings are is an opportunity to have the evidence against you presented by your faculty and for you to give your side of the story, and for a third-party committee to make a determination on guilt, and eventually, if you either admit guilt or they find that you're guilty, to determine an academic sanction. It could also be somewhat inquisitorial, where the members of the committee will ask you questions and try and understand exactly what happened before they make their decision. Now, once that's done, if you're not happy with the result, you can appeal it to an appeals body within your school. And that is a level to appeal the decision. Now, different schools have very specific rules as to the reasons why you're allowed to appeal. That gets into somewhat complex administrative law principles that is probably for a future video. Finally, once you've exhausted all of your options within the school, there is an opportunity to take your case to divisional court and have a judge or a panel of judges consider what happened at your college or university and determine the result. What's important to note is the judges will be looking at your case and determining if the decision was reasonable, not necessarily if it was correct or if it's the decision they would have made. Judicial review can be a long and expensive process. It's something that we want to avoid. However, in certain cases, I'm absolutely prepared to take your case to court and litigate. That was a lot of information, and I know that right now you're nervous, tensions are running high, you're afraid about what effect this could have in your academic future, you don't know how long this is going to take. So a few suggestions. Firstly, speak to your family, speak to your friends. If you have mental health support, speak to them as well, because you need the support to move through this matter. And of course, set up an appointment with either me or Alex. This is what we do. We help students through these very difficult issues. Give us an opportunity to do that. Good luck.